Welcome you all. I am Bhuvaneshwari from Department of Computer Science and Application, Assistant Professor in DKM College. So today we are going to see the video lecture about network topology. For this, first of all, you want to know what is network. So network is nothing but interconnected devices. That two or more devices can be interconnected through wires and cables. So if the devices are connected means we will call that as a network. We have a network to share the information or to share the resources. We need the networks. Next is what is topology. Topology is nothing but how the physical devices are interconnected. That will be called as topology. Suppose here we have 4 devices and these devices are connected to share the information. Next one is types of topology. Based on the geographical area covered, the topology is divided into 3 types. One is local area network, LAN. Another one is metropolitan area network, MAN. Another one is wide area network, WAN. Based on the architecture, it is divided into 6 types. First one is bus topology, star topology, ring topology, tree topology, mesh topology and hybrid topology. These are the 6 topologies based on the architecture. Next one is we are going to see the first topology, bus topology. So bus topology, it is nothing but here we have a single cable. So using the single cable, all the devices are interconnected. All the devices are interconnected to share the information. So this cable will be called as a backbone cable. So through this only all the data will be shared between the devices. So in this data will be transferred in single direction only. So it will not support the bidirectional path. So data will be transferred from source to destination. So we can use the coaxial cable like 10 base T and 10 base phi. These types of cable can be used to construct bus topology. And next is advantages of bus topology. So it's work well for smaller networks. That is, for smaller networks we can able to use this bus topology, and it is inexpensive to implement. That is, cost is very less to implement this kind of bus topology, and easy to expand. Suppose we want to add more system means we can able to attach it easily. Next, it does not use any specialized network equipment. That we doesn't need any specialized equipment to construct this type of bus topology. Next, disadvantages of bus topology. So management cost can be high. So after constructing, the management cost to manage the bus topology, it will be high. Then cable fails, then the whole network fails. That is this backbone cable, no. So if that backbone cable will be failed, it means whole network will be failed. That is, we cannot able to transfer any data from any other device. Next, cable has a limited length. So if we have a limited length cable means, then the size of the topology will be also limited. Next one is star topology. So here all the devices or the computers can be connected to a centralized device called hub or switch. That is, here these are the devices. So in this is called a centralized device. All these devices will be connected to this centralized device to share the information. So each device requires a single cable. So that is, from hub to each and every device we need a single cable to connect them. So there is a point to point, that is, from here to hub there is a point to point dedicated connection will be there to transfer the information. Next, we are going to see the advantages of star topology. So it is easy to troubleshoot and isolate problem. That is, whenever we are using the star topology, isolation of a problem and where the problem occurred, so those things and all, it is easy to maintain. Next, low startup cost. So it can have only low startup cost, easy to manage and expand. Managing the star topology and expanding the star topology is also easy. Next, if you have wide variety of equipments, then it will be very easy to use. So these are the advantages of star topology. Next we are going to see disadvantages of this star topology. So if this hub fails means the total network will be failed. That is, we cannot able to transfer any information from one another. If this hub will be working means that is not a problem. So if hub is not working means the total network will fail. So it requires more cable than the bus network. So when comparing to the bus network, it needs more cables. Cost of installation is high. So if you want to install this type of network means comparing to the bus topology, so this will cost high. So next is ring topology. So all workstations or devices are connected to a continuous closed loop or ring. So like this ring, in ring shape all the devices will be connected. There is no central server. So in ring topology we are not using any centralized device like hub and all. We are not using any centralized device. Only the devices are connected in a ring manner. So each device has a dedicated connection with two devices on either side. So here two devices will be connected with a dedicated link. So both the links are connected between the wire. So signal is passed on one direction from device to other device until it reaches to the destination. Suppose we are sending an data from one device to another device means, so it sends from source to destination from one location to another location. The all other devices will be act as a repeater. Next we are going to see the advantages of ring topology. It's easier to manage, easier to locate defect node or cable problem. Suppose if there is any problem in a cable means, so we can able to find out easily. So it is well suited for transmitting signals over long distance on a LAN. So this kind of network will be used for long distance LAN. We are using it. Next it handles high volume of network traffic. So the network traffic will be handled in smooth manner. Next disadvantages of ring topology. It is more expensive because we are using more cables on it, so that's why it is more expensive. Next it is requires more cable and network equipment at the start. So while we are constructing the ring topology, we need more cables and we need some network equipments also. So that's why we need to put more money on it. Not used as widely as bus topology, but ring topology will not be not widely used as bus topology because more equipment is needed and high speed will not be supported. So that's why people are always using the bus topology when comparing to the ring topology. So next one is tree topology. So tree topology, it is nothing but it has a root node. And all other nodes are connected behind them only. So it is called as hierarchical topology also. So like tree structure, the topology will be constructed. We have a root node and we have a subtree, like that topology will be constructed. Next we are going to see the advantages of tree topology. Extension of bus and star topology. So actually the tree topology is an extension of bus and star topology, and expansion of node is possible and easy. Suppose we need to extend additionally, we need to add more data means we can easily add the devices on it easily, very easily, and easy to manage and maintain. So after constructing the tree topology, the maintenance and managing the tree topology is very easy. So next disadvantages of tree topology. It is heavily cabled because these will be constructed as a tree. So we need more cables to construct this tree topology. And because we are using more cables, that's why we need more money to construct this type of topology. If more nodes are added, maintenance is difficult. Suppose we are adding more nodes on this tree topology means maintaining all those systems and maintaining this type of topology is very difficult. Then central hub fails, the network fails. Suppose that root node will be failed means the entire network will be failed. Next one is mesh topology. So mesh topology, it is nothing but it is a point-to-point connection to the nodes to other devices, which means if we have a network means in one device all other devices will be directly connected. That will be called as mesh topology. So in this, the traffic will be mainly avoided because each and every node will have a dedicated direct connection between the one system to another system. So that's why the traffic will be avoided. So if we need to construct mesh topology means we are using these number, that is n into n minus 2 by 2 physical channels will be needed to connect n devices. That is, suppose we are using 4 devices means we need 6 cables to interconnect them. So mesh topology always need more cables. Next we are going to see the advantages of mesh topology. Each connection can carry its own data because each node is connected directly. So that's why it doesn't have any traffic. Directly the data from one device to another device will be traveled from that cable. So there is no traffic. So fault is diagnosed easily. So whenever one system is fault means that will be designated easily. That will be find out easily. Provide security and privacy because we are using a dedicated channel from one device to another device. That's why security and privacy is more in this type of topology. Next one is disadvantages of mesh topology. Installation and configuration is difficult. So installing and configuring the mesh topology will be difficult because we are having more cables. So that's why it is difficult. Next, cabling cost is more, right? So more cables are used. So that's why more cable cost is high, and need more wires are required. So we need more wires to construct this type of topology. Next one is hybrid topology. So it's a mixture of 2 or more topologies. So suppose we want to construct hybrid topology means more than one types of topology can be combined and a new topology can be constructed, and that topology will be called as hybrid topology. So what is the use of constructing the hybrid topology means we can able to combine the characteristics of 2 or more topologies into one topology. So that's why it has more advantages. So the hybrid topology has more advantages when we are comparing to the other topologies because characteristics of one or more topologies will be combined into it. So that's why. So next one is advantages of hybrid topology. So error detecting and troubleshooting is very easy. So where the error is occurred and how we are going to solve that issue, that and all is very easy in hybrid topology, and effective to use because one or more characteristics of a topology will be involved in it. So that's why it is effective to use, and scalable as size can be increased easily. Suppose we want to add more devices, we can easily add the devices. And next one is flexible. And disadvantages of hybrid topology is it is complex in design. So when you are designing it, by seeing it, which will be very complex, and for constructing also it can have need more money. So it is costlier. Thank you.